Hey, do you know what bananas can do for your health? I'm packed with potassium, fiber, and natural energy. So
They help your digestion stay smooth, reduce bloating, and fuel your body the healthy way. But here's the secret.
eating bananas the right way makes a big difference. So if you want to know when to eat bananas, how much to eat, and who should avoid them,
Just follow me and comment how. I will send you the link for more information.
Hey! Do you know me? Yes, I am watermelon. Composed of roughly 92% water, it's one of the most effective foods.
Contains an amino acid called citrulline, which helps reduce muscle soreness after a tough workout by improving circulation.
Have actually higher in lycopene than raw tomatoes. This antioxidant is a heavy hitter for heart health and protecting your skin from sun damage.
I have a satisfying amount for very few calories, making it the perfect tool for managing cravings while staying full.
Sweet, crisp, and incredibly cooling, the watermelon is the undisputed heavyweight champion of hydration, so subscribe for more healthy tips.
Hey, do you know me? Yes, I am mango. A single cup of mango provides nearly 67% of the daily value for vitamin C.
I have contained a group of digestive enzymes called amylases, along with plenty of water and fiber, which help break down food and prevent bloating.
Rich in vitamin A and antioxidants like lutein, mangoes act like internal sunglasses, protecting your vision from blue light and
I have a natural source of vitamin B6, which is crucial for maintaining healthy brain function and regulating your sleep and mood.
Hey, do you know me? Yes, I am grapes. Grapes are rich in resveratrol, a compound known to improve blood flow and protect blood vessels.
I have a healthy dose of simple sugars and a low glycemic index. They provide a steady stream of energy without the dreaded sugar crash.
They contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that help shield your eyes from damage caused by blue light and UV rays.
Polyphenols found in grape skins fight cellular damage, keeping your cells and your skin feeling resilient.
Hey, do you know me? Yes, I am kiwi. A single kiwi packs more vitamin C than an orange. It's a massive boost for your immune system and skin collagen.
It contains actinidin, a unique natural enzyme that helps break down proteins, reducing bloating after meals.
High levels of potassium and fiber help manage blood pressure and lower bad LDL cholesterol. Kiwis contain serotonin, which has been shown to help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer.
Loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, it acts like internal sunglasses to protect your vision from macular degeneration.
Now you can take to Peel Me One, because kiwi is a nutritional powerhouse for your body and immune system.
Hey, do you know me? Yes, I am cucumber. At 95% water, cucumbers are one of the most hydrating foods on the planet.
I have a surprising source of vitamin K, which is essential for bone density and ensuring your blood clots properly.
I have contained silica, a trace mineral that strengthens connective tissues, leading to stronger hair, tougher nails, and more elastic skin.
They are incredibly low in calories but high in volume, making them the correct cruncher for anyone looking to snack mindfully.
Hey, do you know me? Yes, I am orange. I am packed with vitamin C. A single orange helps your body repair tissues.
I have contained potassium and fiber, which work together to maintain healthy blood pressure and cholesterol levels.
I have antioxidants fight oxidative stress, helping you maintain that natural, healthy glow from the inside out. I have. Whether you're peeling one at your desk, the orange is the ultimate.
Hey, let's go bite and dance with me so we can have some fun and just enjoying each other's company.
Wake up to the morning light.
Little red apple, first big bite.
Crunch so sweet, my day begins.
Joy on the face, smile on my chin.
I am a fruit lover, sing it out strong. Apple, banana, come and sing along. Mango, strawberry, orange, so bright. Fruit in my bowl makes everything right.
Peel a banana, twist and turn.
Soft and creamy taste I learn.
Orange circles on my plate.
Tiny sunshine that feels great.
I am a fruit lover, sing it out strong. Apple, banana, come and sing along. Mango, strawberry, orange, so bright. Fruit in my bowl makes everything right.
Red and yellow, green and gold.
Hey!
Colors like a story told.
Share a slice and pass it round.
Love grows bigger with each sound. I am a fruit lover, sing it out strong. Apple, banana, come and sing along. Mango, strawberry, orange, so bright. Fruit in my bowl makes everything right. We are fruit lovers, sing it out loud. Kids and grown-ups, happy and proud. Mango, strawberry, orange, so bright. Fruit in our hearts, we shine with light.
So subscribe for more tips.